Morning everybody. Thanks for joining me today on what I do for a living. So I come to work, I grab paperwork, it shows me what fields to spray. I show my loaders where to go and what order to spray in. If you live in California, you know that there is lots of almond trees here in California, and what we do is we go and spray them when it rains because the tractors can't get in there. Usually it's too wet. They go in there to spray fungicide on the trees to help them from getting mold and rot and stuff like that. So we're busy right now. I don't have much time to talk and sit here and going on and on about that. This is the beast I'll be flying today. Apologize for being dirty right there. It's been working like crazy. We wash our helicopters every day, but I flew late last night. They didn't get a chance to. Anyways, we always keep it nice and clean, and definitely always keep the blades clean. So got our booms here, our nozzles, so the spray comes out. This right here is what holds the liquid that we will be spraying with. Loader hooks up here. You'll see some of that here in a little bit. After this video is done, if you like this video, I'll do more of these, take you guys along for a ride. Grab my paperwork, grab my helmet, and I'm gonna pre-flight. I'll let you see some of that. We'll get the helicopter pulled out. I'm glad that is over. Kind of give you guys a little, I guess, a little ending into this. What I did want to tell you guys is this logo right here that I came up with took several months. But if you'll notice, in that logo is a skeleton fish, a deer skull, American flag, and also a locked up duck. But maybe people didn't notice before, but that X is not just an X, it sticks or something. It's actually helicopter blades. This channel is about all those in one. I didn't want to just have waterfowl because I like to predator hunt. I didn't want to have just predator hunt because I like to deer hunt. Didn't want to just deer hunt because I like to fly helicopters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the flying. This was long-winded. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, we will talk to you later.